So it's like second time when I had experience to lose my camera during the ride. So first time it was like on helmet mount, and I just like rode the trail unknown before, and some like just stick hit that GoPro mount, and it's just like fell down, and I forgot about it because it was like my first time GoPro experience. Like I spent 2 hours to find that GoPro camera, and fortunately I find it, but like it's not a good experience. Like you bought some camera like for like $400 and you just lose it because this mount was stuck. So like keep in mind, like use like safety mounts, and this like place on your chest, and it's like the place is the best. Here's like solution which I found fit perfectly to me. Do not mount your mount vertically in center. Move it a bit right side, because GoPro has lens not on the center and not perfectly on vertical. And just try before to stick this mount, try some like GoPro tools and check how it look for like horizontal and vertical positions. I use like some screws, and the feature you need for vertical videos is like this small item. I bought it on GoPro official site. This came with like vertical mount for helmets, but like you can buy it on second market or somewhere else. And here's like solution. You can put it in this way and check how you can put your GoPro. Like if you put it like this way, lens fully on right side, but if you turn it like this, like plate is mirrored, so like you can put it like exactly on vertical side, like vertical line, and the footage will be perfect, and you will have enough place to move your camera and to move it up and down a bit. So it's like it's perfect place. And the same stuff for horizontal video. You will just unscrew it and check how GoPro will be attached for like horizontal. It also has the same perfect vertical place, and whatever, like if you will just flip it, you will have enough place to move it up and down to find perfect angle for your video. So the things what we need is just like zip ties, just like cutters, and this GoPro helmet mount, but just remove the straps, and this is like, but be sure keep this soft cover. It's easy to unstick it, like just get some like glue, but be sure like put it after. Like, so what do we need? First thing, I'll just detach my chest plate, put it away. So we need this front side, and we already know this, like the perfect side is like just keep it a bit right side, and we'll remove this one. Yeah, both short leg and long leg is perfect for this mount, and I'll keep this like in this area height, so like we'll have comfortable ride, because like if you use full face helmet, your like chin will touch this camera if you put it so high. So like I'll use like one like centimeters like lower. And what I need like is just like 4 zip ties, and the last one. So we have 4 zip ties, and what we need is just like mark which holes we will use. So probably it will be this one, this one, this one, and this one. And all what we need is just like put our ties inside. And one more. And the same from opposite side. Just unstick it a bit, not much, just like keep for like entrances. And then you can play with this and for like find the best spot to mount it. So I'll use this one. I'll put it somewhere here. Just a bit, not much. And then you can play with this one for find the best spot to mount it. So I'll use this one. I'll put it somewhere here. with the camera and both of gadgets. Okay, and be sure it should be like perfectly horizontal. So now it looks almost perfect, but you need to figure out it with these holes to keep it more horizontal. But be sure with zip ties you can find the perfect spot to keep it horizontal, and just tight each zip enough to keep it horizontal. So like if it's like bended a bit, like I can easily to fix it with zip ties. I can tie it top left corner more, and then it will be like push it to the corner. And the same stuff with bottom right one. So it will just like rotate a bit with this flex. So like already can start to tie it. So the first one, let's use small parts like by diagonal. So now it's look perfect horizontally. You can tight it a bit more and use just like opposite side of diagonals. And the last one. And this mount is super safety. Your GoPro will never fall down during your ride, as I had this issue yesterday. I just like rode on the trail and I just heard the sound like GoPro like unstick. This like curved or like flat mount is done like safety enough. Yeah, some people use like straps to protect the GoPro, but like you need a special cover. I use wind cover like this one to protect like wind from the screen, and like this one is not safety anymore for me, especially like if you have like bumpy trail or something like rock section. It's like sounds not safety at all. So this solution came to me like this is the most like safety stuff, because like it's look like safety at least, and it's super like tight. You can't move it like in any like millimeters. And the reason like why you need to keep this like soft layer is like avoid like some noise, because this like hard plastic and this one is also hard plastic. That layer will like protect this like noisy between two plastics. I already know it's worked because like I use this body guard before, and it works perfectly. Because like if you have like hot weather and you will put your chest mount overlay for like body guard, it's like super hot, and this GoPro chest mount became super wet. So that's it. Leave a comment like how you use your like best footage placement for your GoPro, because like on Gambit full face it's like it's not good to place your GoPro camera on helmet, because it's like it's look no safety. So let's fix this one. And let's see what we did. So this mount is like has long leg, just like put a screw, and this mount is perfect because your lens is perfect central vertical, and like you can like use like angle of your like body to find the best position for your footage. And the same stuff came with vertical footage, like we'll add this little item. So I use this small bolt to screw it up, and you can just attach your GoPro vertically. and it's a perfect vertical mount for your GoPro, and it's also easy to check the angle of your lens to find the perfect position for your record. Yeah, usually I'll go with like smaller leg mount, but both of them works perfectly. So like this is like long leg and it's just gone away. Anyway, like you can use smaller one and this works perfectly as previous one. So for both vertical and horizontal mount, it works perfectly. So like be sure, just flip it and you will have the best position ever you had before, and it will be super safety. Your GoPro will not just fall down, and it's easy to set up, and you don't need at all a chest mount if you use body protection always. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. On this channel I'll provide like all what I use for my bike experience, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.